Today, we're exploring Bordeaux, France, a beautiful, small country town right here in France. And wow, what a beautiful city this is. The crazy part here is not the city that we're in. The crazy part is what day it is. It's basically their 4th of July. They call it Bastille Day. And everyone is super hyped because today there's going to be a drone show right there. So and during their 4th of July, I mean, they're going pretty hard. There's going to be a drone show. There's going to be lots of fireworks. So as you guys can see, I mean, there's a huge crowd literally coming from all over France, hanging out, having a great time. And right in front of this little corridor area is where, you know, everything is going to be happening. People are really, really excited. It's going to happen in a couple hours, but people are already lining up. As you guys can see, they're already saving their spots just because they want a great shot at whatever is going to happen right in front of them. I mean, wow, what a crazy, beautiful day. I mean, for us to be right here in Bordeaux. Let's go ahead and take you guys along this journey of Bastille Day right here in Bordeaux, baby. Let's do it. Let's go, baby. You know, we're just enjoying amazing fireworks right here in Bastille Day, right here in Bordeaux, France. As you guys can see, this boat is basically shooting a bunch of fireworks. They look all looking amazing. Lots of people. There's more than 5,000 people just waiting just on this specific road, having a great time. As you guys can see, these things are just going hard. This is their real 4th of July celebration going on. Wow.
14th of July.
Oh, I guess it's 14th of July for them. Jeez. Very nice stuff.